Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free the value of $99 and Nutanix certified associate exam voucher 2025. This is a limited time offer. So grab this offer as soon as possible. So Nutanix is the global leader in cloud software, a pioneer of hyperconverged infrastructure, that is SCI, that provides a unified platform for running applications and managing data across hybrid, multi-cloud, and edge environments. The company offers software-defined solutions that combine compute, storage, and networking, simplifying IT operations and helping organizations modernize their infrastructure, adopt AI, and migrate to the cloud. So this is the global leader, Nutanix, and this certificate is value is $99. So go through that step by step process. I'll show you important dates and eligibility. Program enrollment start on September 2, 2025, and program enrollment close on October 7, 2025. Complete both the course by October 14, 2025, and schedule your exam by October 21st, 2025. So before 21 of October 2025 you have to complete your attempt the exam. Okay, so complete the course before 14, and enrollment end on close on October 7, and maybe it will close before also if seat will be full. So we go through that and stay ahead of just enroll of this Nutanix certified associate. So notice the NCA Exam Prep online course will be removed from your profile at the end of this promotional end. So claim your spot Nutanix Certified Associate NCA, and free registration link is this. So http next.nutanix.com, and this is a full URL is there. I'll go through the URL. So accelerate your path on the NCA certification with the limited time offer. So NCS accelerator program, get certified free when you complete the training. So if you are thinking you are the pursuing your Nutanix certificate associate NCA certification but were not sure where to begin, now it's your chance. For limited time you can enroll your NCA accelerator program and get so access your Nutanix fundamental NCF online course. And if you go through this course, the price is not showing. I'll show you the price in limited time access to the NCA Exam Prep online course. That value is the $895 dollar, and a free NCA exam voucher is 99 value, and a discount form to be connect with the peers and get answer from Nutanix certification expert. The certification program is designed in boost your knowledge and build your confidence and prepare your success to the NCA exam. You will participate in the program within the growth at IT professional who have the same goal on passing the NCA certification. How it works? Unlock your free exam voucher. Okay, so this the two steps are there, both the online courses and already completed the NHCF course. Great, you are halfway there, but you still have to enroll the participation in the special program. Okay, whatever the course you are completed, but you have to complete these courses and enroll the this course. So these are the important dates. Just go through that. So NCA Accelerator certification program. This is a free for now. Last price is there. So end will be the October 15. Okay. So registration is open on September 2 and end on this date. And this is the important dates, and you already have this thing fundamental. So just log in first. Sign in with your SSO credentials. So put your email address. So this is the login page. If you have already registered, then you can go through the login page or you can go through the sign up. So sign up, put your name, your company name, and your job title, your phone number. Okay. Select your country and your email address. Main thing is this, your email address. Use a company email address to sign up. Personal domains addresses are not allowed. Just you are assume that you are working with the TCS, then you have to write your TCS email address, just like your name at the rate tcs.com, at the rate info. If you are working with the Deloitte, Infosys, and Cognizant, CTS, so you have to put at the rate the company email addresses. Okay, so put that. After sign up, you will get a mail like this: finish setting up your my Nutanix ID, and there is a hi Chitranjan, and finish your up my Nutanix ID to unlock quick access to trial, and other things are there. So confirm your email address by clicking the button below. So if you click this one, it will open. It will ask you for the confirmation. Then you will able to log in. So after login, this is my first page, my Nutanix and .com slash page slash account. So click on next, next, and so close this one. So this is my workspace, and you have to complete these things. Now let me go through the my courses. Now again open the same link, and there is a enroll the NCA Accelerator learning plan. We already logged in. So click here and click on enroll. Let me enroll first. You are a self you are not able to self enroll in this learning plan. Let me log in. I accept, agreed. Interested in virtualization, Linux, cloud computing, and submit. So now you are logged in. So just go for the enroll. So 0 by 3 required objective are completed. So there is my learning path. You can start with the learning path, all the courses. So NHCF, then NCA Exam Prep, then retrieve your exam voucher, then Nutanix Certified Associate NCA 6.10. So this is your destination where you will get your certificate. So your certificate will be the Nutanix Certified Associate and multi-cloud infrastructure. So this is the certification you will get. So total details is there. The course fee, preparation fee is $898. Okay, and a free NCA exam voucher is $99. So this is the chance to you will get an important dates and eligibility is there. You can go through that, and the last enrollment date is October 7. So before that you have to enroll and you have to complete the course October 14, and you have to before schedule your exam of October 21st. Okay. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free value of $99 Nutanix certified associate exam voucher 2025 limited time offer. And Nutanix is a global leader in cloud software and SCI. And important dates is there. Go through that. And this is the URL. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.